I'm a partner in a law firm that has been in existence and practice here in Lubbock for over 25 years. It's a small firm with 3 attorneys, and we average 8 or fewer employees on an annual basis. We have traditionally provided insurance, health insurance for our employees as long as we've had them. With the rising cost of health care and the rising cost of health insurance, it has been increasingly more difficult every year. With the Chamber of Commerce's health plan, we have been able to cut our costs incident to providing health care and health insurance for our employees over 35%.
We were approached in the fall of 2005 by Covenant Health Systems to consider an affordable and discounted health insurance benefit for local businesses and their employees. We were then joined by UMC Health System and First Care Insurance Plans, and we actually launched this in May of 2006 to actually provide this benefit to these businesses.
Our company is Airport Shelter Park, and we're an off-airport parking facility at the airport. And we have 13 employees, 9 are full-time and 4 part-time. And we've been in business in Lubbock for 21 years. We've always provided insurance for our employees, but it was getting to the point where it was becoming too expensive to continue that. But with the Chamber's plan, that turned everything around.
You know, time and time again, surveys of our members showed that one of the most pressing needs that they had was affordable health care. So this has provided one of those important needs that all business need, but certainly small business, of being able to provide affordable health care for our members.
We decided to go with the Chamber's plan because it had all of the docs we wanted, the hospitals we needed, everything we needed, and it was a whole lot less expensive.
The businesses that are participating, you know, just about every one of them have said that it has provided quality health care and has saved them all a significant amount of money.
I'm on some community service boards, and those nonprofit organizations are able to provide health insurance for their small number of employees at a very small cost. In addition to that, the Chamber of Commerce's health plan is reducing the burden to the taxpayer as a whole by reducing the overall cost of quality health care to all of the community.
To me, it was such a no-brainer when this thing came along because, as I said, until we had the Chamber plan, it was touch and go as to whether or not we were going to be able to continue coverage. But it reduced the premiums by about 20%. It reduced the deductible. And the coverage is so good because of the people that are involved as far as the doctors and the hospitals that are involved.
The success has been pretty overwhelming by virtue of the fact that we originally were intended to get 2,000 lives in the plan, and now we have over 5,000 lives actually covered. So that has been extremely good for the small businesses in Lubbock. And we have been just overwhelmed with interest in the plan that we've actually not only looked inside Lubbock, but actually worked to export it out of Lubbock as well.
With this plan, it's no wonder that the directors of the chambers all across the state are calling Lubbock to find out how we did it and how they can do it.
Well, certainly from the standpoint of the Lubbock Chamber, it's increased our membership. You know, to be a part of this health plan, you have to be a member of the Lubbock Chamber of Commerce. So it has provided a value-added benefit for our memberships and has increased our membership base. The thing that makes me most proud about our cooperative program in this health plan is that the number of uninsured folks that have been added because of this being available. You know, it's estimated that 20% of the covered lives that we're now covering under this plan previously had no insurance at all. So that is the thing that's most important to me.
Well, there's a certain amount of safety factor to have insurance for all of your employees. You obviously want the best for them, and when they're healthy, they're better workers.
You know, I would say to anybody in business that you need to look at this, both from a standpoint of if you're providing insurance today, of saving insurance on your employee insurance plans, and if you've not been able to afford one in the past, you sure need to look at it because it's very affordable, and this will put you in a position that you can provide an important benefit for your employees.